Hello, this is Joseph with TutorSpace, and I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough of what you should expect as you're joining the site for the first time, and what everything's supposed to look like, so you can have like a seamless experience from the get-go. All right, so this is what you'll see if you first are starting. I'm going to create a kind of fake account here. Let's say fake account. Fake account at gmail.com. This is your test type. Again, you can change this anytime, but I'll say that I'm taking the SAT right now. And let's say that we have a random password. Once everything clears from here, you should be able to sign up. And then you'll be greeted with a tutorial that you can walk through at your own leisure. Because I'm going to be doing the walkthrough, I won't go through everything here, but you feel free to read in your time when you're going to be logging on here. I'll click close here, and we should be able to get into the system. So you should see like a weekly roundup. Like right now there's nothing. Weekly usage right now there's nothing. Total usage, again, there's nothing. Colleges in your range, there's nothing, but that'll populate as we go along. And you should see right near that you can take the diagnostics test, which I'll go into in 1 second. So when you click through, welcome to your dashboard fake, you can click on the diagnostics, and basically what this will allow you to do is, if you're maybe unsure on whether you should take the SAT or the ACT, this is a test that you can walk through. You take the entire test and it'll tell you what your estimated SAT results are and your estimated ACT results. And so you'll see which ones maybe you have a better aptitude for, and then you can focus on that. Again, you can choose to go through the SAT or the ACT. You click through here and you're able to go through. It's about a 3-hour test. Don't suspect you'll take the entire time, but it is available to you if you need it. As far as other things on your system, once you go to the test section, again, you can change the test and that'll be totally fine. You can put your own test date. These assignments will populate as you continue to go along. And whenever you're ready to take your first test, let's say I'm set with the SAT and I'm ready to go, I click launch test, and I go through this test, basically clicking through with the answers that I want to pick. Each section, it will save it. We suggest going through everything all at once if you have the time, but after each section, for the SAT there's 4, there's 2 reading and writing and then 2 maths. It will save your progress and you can close out of here and be totally fine. As well as if your time remaining does run out, it will automatically force you to the next section and mark all the answers that you have not selected as skipped. So let me close out of this. And as far as if you have practice, these should populate over time with how well you've done on in particular sections. And there's a bunch of them that you can click through, and we have practice, learning modules, and quiz modules. The difference between the practice and the quiz is that quiz is a little bit more structured. Practice is a little obviously more for practice sake. And with the practice section, you can, let's imagine we're taking this particular question. You can ask our inbuilt AI system if you need help with a particular thing, and if you're trying to maybe learn a little bit more, and not just have the answer necessarily just given to you where you just read over what the answer is. This will act as basically your own personalized tutor, which you can, again, ask for minimal direction to get you to learn at your own pace rather than just read over the answers. But if you do need to read over the answers once you answer the question down here, that will also be available for you. And there's a bunch of other things on TutorSpace which more videos will come out about, but we also have this upper right hand section where you can read about, let's say, progress dashboard. If you're interested in what everything on here does, you can click through here. If you are in the practice module and you're interested with what everything goes on here, you can walk through the practice module as well. And that help section is always available for you. And we also have this extra section where we have, if you are a student who maybe needs or wants privatized help, we do partner with MeasureUp to offer that as well for all of the students using TutorSpace. You can reach out and meet with them as well. But anyway, that's going to be it for today's video. But please reach out if you have any other questions. We are always happy to help out all of our students. And thank you very much.